Good morning, everybody. I'm David. There's Angie.
Morning.
Of course, there's Maggie. And we want to welcome y'all to Vista Acres. Alright, so what are we doing this morning? We're going to take y'all along with the chores. Also going to show you we had to break up the he's and the she's. It's time for babies, I think. What do you think, Angie? So we'll show you that video footage. Okay, yo, hey, I tell you what, I apologize for not getting Wednesday's video out with the holidays and everything. We have been busy. There's Maggie. Doing what Maggie does, run, run, run. She loves to run. Pigs, they're ready to be fed. Look at them. Yeah. Pigs ready to be fed. Yeah. Oh me. Guineas being guineas. And got some new chickens, y'all. These, ain't that a pretty girl there? She is pretty. Yep. She's a pretty one. I had a sick white one. She's out there. She is. She's looking a little better. She's getting along with them. So, but yeah, she is a pretty one. Very pretty. Some of them Americanas. So. I got a real pretty Americana rooster I can put with them, and might get some chicks that color. That'd be good. I noticed my black chicks down there. They got a little bit of red in, a little bit of red in them. They're not as black as those other ones, but. Here's Angie. We're gonna separate some rabbits. Don't know how this is gonna go.
Do what?
Hey, this is probably a good idea, Maggie.
Maggie, stop. Maggie, give me that bottle.
I bet this is female.
Quit.
Maggie, stop.
Grab her by the neck, David. Oh, nope, that's the male. Definitely the male. Just keep her in that box.
Let me just, I'm going to put him in that cage.
Okay. Where's the lid? Oh, gosh.
Well, we get that lucky.
Yep.
This thing had a latch on it.
Yes, it is. It's over the bottom of it. There you go. I'd like to put that on something where he won't be sitting in his toes. Oh, Maggie, don't step on my toes. That was easy. I'll turn her down here and get her out. I don't want her upset. And David's getting the other cage. We're getting him situated here. Yeah, that'll work good.
Maggie, you about did it. What's that?
I think it's pretty good. We may have to hang those cages in here.
Yeah, we need to probably do that. Well, if it's that easy to get the other male. Now this one's got legs on it, so I don't have to worry about it.
No. I wish they were like that.
Yeah, we got a deal on this cage.
Yes, we did. He's added those legs to that, Dave. He's added those legs. We should be able to do that. Some kind of slide.
It's the same cage as that in there.
Yeah, it is. Mm-hmm. The very same cage.
Let's put that metal in there too. I don't know, that looks factory right there.
Yeah.
I wonder if there's I bet there's a leg kit you can buy for it.
You know, there could be.
Yeah, I think there's a leg kit you can buy for them.
That one's kind of lopsided.
This is a Hava heart. What they still make cages. These been around one.
Let me open this one. If you get her, you can put her over.
Squeeze out some mail here.
Her over here. If you get a she.
Alright, that's definitely a she here. See, she's already pulled her hair off for her box. So I'm gonna bet you I bet he's the he.
Okay. Maggie!
Maggie, stop. Is that a he?
Nope, that's a she. Maggie, stop. Yep, that's he.
That's he?
Honey, look at it. You'll see it's a he.
Maggie, stop.
Stop, Maggie!
Was there not two females here?
Yes, should be.
Them two there?
That's a female. That should be. That should no.
Let's clean that box up. I want to put some hay in it.
Yeah, definitely.
We need to go get some more boxes. I'll clean it up. No way. Hang on a second. Is there two females over here? Because we had a white one here and a white female, didn't we?
No, honey. We had a white female here, and we put that white female with him, and that's her.
Oh, the original white female's down there.
Yes.
Okay. Got confused there. So, we didn't breed her.
Can y'all be quiet?
We didn't breed her, did we?
Hey,
All right, let me get
we're trying to talk here.
Yeah, we're doing a video, y'all. Meg's already knocked that one over.
Oh, Lord, it's already out. Oh, no, it's in the cage. That's it.
Walk down and get another tub, don't I?
Unless you can use that one behind there. Is that one behind there a good tub?
Well, it's one of the things you have to get it done.
Yes, you do. Now, don't eat all your bedding, okay? That's bedding for your babies. These little litter box, y'all, they come in handy a little bit for everything. Laying boxes, rabbit boxes. I have learned that if there's a little hole in there, though, they will chew plumb through them boxes. They started on that one, but if they ever get a hole plumb way through, they will chew. Gotta find a box for that one, and a water bottle for that one.
How many water bottles do you want to eat?
3 for those, and then we gotta have one for
I didn't
them.
put one on his yesterday. I forgot all about it. Water bag.
Two.
Blue.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Blue needs his water.
Sorry, boy.
We'll call the males the color that they are. Whitey, brownie, and bluey. How's that?
Water bottles.
Yeah. Okay.
I saw one of those things laying somewhere.
He's already looking for a way to escape.
You blame him with Maggie?
Maggie. I've got another feeder in my thing there. Oh, you have. It's green. Yep, there it is. Move, Maggie. Can you move that hay? You got it. Oh no, there went my food. Oh, shit. It'll fall over there for sure.
Maggie, get out of there. Causing problems. You're the reason this fell, I guarantee you.
Yeah, there's not a lot of room in here, Maggie.
Maggie, go on.
Sure don't need your help.
Go on.
I thought if we could hang them on the wall down through here, get a wood board and go down through there.
Put them down there.
Yeah.
That'd be good. We got some more like this, don't we?
Yes,
we can just
bunches
hang.
of more, yeah.
I'd really like to get a barn built and have a quail on one side, the rabbits on the other side. I like the quail. Now I got more time to fool with them, I'll sell some of them. And their eggs, you know. You think we need to clean that hatch out where she's at there, clean it out, or just let it be, put some more hay in there?
Is there poop in there?
Did I fill up? Yeah, I filled them jugs up.
I think they got enough water to
A little more. Yeah, they got plenty of water. But you got some of these waters down here, don't
Yeah,
you?
there's more jugs in here.
I saw one of those.
There's plenty right here.
Them hooks that hooks those onto the cage. Seemed like it was down at the house. This will go out there, or goes over here, don't it? Well, you got a spring over there. You got a spring over there. I believe I'd use one of them over there. There's Fuzzy. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna turn her off while we fill up these water bottles. Alright, y'all, hope you enjoyed that footage. Luckily, I didn't get clogged real bad. I tell you what, when you're moving rabbits, they will put the claws to you, won't they, Angie? Yeah, they'll do a number on you. I've had some pretty bad claw marks from moving rabbits. I think I'd rather move a herd of cats than a herd of rabbits. But yeah, so hope y'all enjoyed that footage. Hopefully we'll have some babies before long. May have some babies on this video, because like I said, we're gonna go up and do the chores and everything. Big announcement. Y'all, I turned 62 in December. And guess what I did? What'd I do, Angie?
Retired.
I've retired.
Sort of.
Yeah, sort of.
We got plenty of work.
Got plenty to do. I didn't quit working. I retired as far as the government goes. I know I may end up doing something else, y'all.
Insurance.
For insurance, I may. I've really had on my heart the parapro in the schools, so I may do that. I've had that ever since I left my old job 3 or 4 years ago, or I guess that job left me, didn't it? Yeah, that job left me. Just part of it, y'all. You're gonna work in public works or now even government works, you chance you're gonna lose your job. And just all part of it. But anyway, I have retired, y'all, so hopefully that means more time with Maggie and more time with Angie and a little more time to do some projects. So we might back up and where we're doing videos a little bit more. But right now, I got to get some pig feed out of the Jeep. We had to get pig feed yesterday. So I'll give the camera to Angie. And we're going to get pig feed out of the Jeep. I think everything's in its way again. Lumber in there, I think I'll have to clear the lumber out. Maggie, why do you bark?
I don't know, but it drives me crazy.
It drives us nuts. We're gonna go down here with the rabbits. She loves to bark at the rabbits. Yeah. Pigs are probably already at the trough. We're running a little bit late. Angie and I had aches and pains last night. Been working on the house. So we had aches and pains. We touched some apple PMs. We slept late a little bit, didn't we?
And then at that metal right there.
Yeah, you can't. I'll have to move that. I'll go move out. I bet the seat's wet on that thing, ain't it?
Pigs are hungry. You can see them out there. I think it was hungry or something. David, that little runt's going to be curly, you know it?
Yeah, we need to get it out. We need to get this one out right here. Little curly one there, don't you think? Right there, if it's in the trough.
No, I'd leave them alone.
Huh?
No, I'd leave them alone. They're acclimated in there with those.
Alright.
Yeah, they'll be fine. He gets right in there with them. He's eating. Yep, he has no problem eating. Matter of fact, he probably gets in there easier than the bigger ones do. The mama, as big as they are, want to get up in the trough, which you see some babies are too, but the mamas are usually terrible. But these three right here in a row right there, that's the mamas.
order these so we can get them on the same ordering cycle? Or?
You can. We don't know. You want me to turn this electric fence on?
Yeah. Yeah, turn back on. Got rabbits, man?
Yes.
I'll meet you up there together.
I thought you was going to water them.
I can't.
You're eating too fast, Barbara Jean. You're going to have to slow down, girl. You're getting choked. Barbara Jean, don't knock the babies off. They can need to eat too. They play musical troughs. One mama jumps down, another mama jumps in. That mama just knocked that baby out. Pigs being pigs. Yep, you fell out, didn't you, Reba? Reba, be nice. Reba, no! Reba! Tell you what, these moms can be just rude. I told Debbie needs to feed the babies separate from the moms, but it's kind of hard when they're together. We may have to separate them. They need to be separated anyway, really. We have 4 buckets of food, and it seems they all want to eat out of one bucket. Go figure. They're awfully cute though, aren't they?
I didn't know you turned that bike on. Glad I didn't touch that thing.
I have to say, I think it's probably a tie between goats and pigs. I love both of them. They are so sweet.
Alright, go ahead and get started watering.
Thought we was going to check see if we had babies.
Yeah, we can.
She's not out. She could be.
It's all females here, ain't it?
Yep, all females.
You look like she got any babies?
I don't think so. It looks like she's cleaning herself. She's got plenty of water.
Yeah, I watered these yesterday. Or her, I think.
She's got plenty of water. Yeah, she's got plenty of water. They got food. Looks like they got food.
Yeah.
I meant to bring them some carrots.
Yeah, they
Nope,
feed the
no
moms
babies.
Good, don't we?
No babies. Here's Daddy. It's probably easier.
Yeah.
Did you see the pretty rabbits? See, y'all here try to get some video. Mag, you'll quit stepping on the or knocking the cage. did take a minute. I had to clean their little cups out from where they poopy on them. So it does take a little bit longer to clean up. Okay, I've got one more to fill, so I'm going to put y'all over here and let y'all watch the rabbits. Limbo, I think she had a mouse. I was trying to get that water thing filled up and I heard something squeaking. But when I came out it was gone, so it must have got away from her. But she is a good rat cat. She will kill them rats. I did put out, see on YouTube, where you could put out baking soda and romaine noodles. And that's what I did. Hobble. These babies love to eat. Is that right? Yep, y'all love to eat, right? Okay, I gotta go turn the light up in.
Whew, y'all, it is muddy in here. Looks like a hog pen. We've had actually a little bit of rain. We've been blessed. This is for my ones that are a little bit crippled down there. I'm gonna try to put that in there and let it drain in there. Maybe Maggie won't jerk it out. Oh, man. This one's probably the clearest shot. These little pans right here, y'all, I like them. They're pretty heavy duty.
Very cheap.
Yeah, where'd you get those?
Roses.
Rose is not a sponsor, but
no.
They get another pan here. These can eat.
Yeah,
we can't move them today. I guess try to move them up there Let them eat all that right in there, you know it.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to till this. Try to mix it up real good. Where that hot poop. You know it.
We are.
Yep, I'm gonna finish watering. Yeah, I'm gonna go down and finish watering the chickens. I guess I could give them an update of the chickens, show them our really pretty Brahma that we gave to us. Yeah. Yeah, we got a real pretty Brahma chicken.
Don't forget the
Now it's one that we're pretty sure one of our eggs, right? She hatched.
holder. Don't forget it up there.
Huh?
We think so. I don't know, David.
Forget the holder.
I don't know. She
Well, you know, she got a bunch of eggs from us and hatched. She had a good hatch rate. All right, y'all. There goes Maggie. Any wonder why she's so skinny? All right, all that water. You make a mess right there. All right, wherever we move them to, we've got to remember that we got to have water to them. I'd like to get them all up in that mess right there and let them. We'll turn the water off here while go over everything with you. We'll turn that back on here in a minute. Okay. These Brahmas are doing pretty good, y'all. They looking good since I got the guinea out about a month or two ago. Looking forward to getting some eggs off of them. Them hens are starting to get bigger. Some of them still look like little Brahmas. They're not looking like big Brahmas. These Brahmas are looking good. And yeah, pretty sure that I don't know if I might ask and see, but these lavender Orpingtons are looking good. And those are looking good. I tell you what, y'all, just about like sub one of those. Just about would. Alright, these are the 5 that we gave to us. All the buff ones except the Turk neck. We had the Turk neck. But where's she at? Right there she is. See her? She is pretty. That is a beautiful chicken. That one was sick. That's an Americana one there. You can tell by the head on it. That and there's Americana one, pretty sure. The other ones, I don't know what they are. But boy, ain't she pretty. Yeah, I'd like to get some eggs off of her and hatch. Alright. This bunch here is doing good. See that Americana right there? There's some up there that looks like her. I'm going to put her and the other ones with that rooster that's down there to color them. So I'm going to have to get me a pen to put about 2 or 3 of them in and we'll hatch them out. These are doing good. Got to water them, but outside of that, y'all give me your comments on it, but I'm afraid our pickle jars may have poisoned or made the chicken sick. So I think we're going to have to bleach these things out real good before we use them for water for the chickens. As I think that could have been bad. What do you think, mate? And these are going good, and we've got to get those now juveniles. Yeah, as Robin called them on Wild Huckleberry, they're the juveniles. If y'all haven't watched his channel, watch his channel. He's got a really good channel. All right, all our Isa Reds are getting grown, and they'd start laying here before long. Probably gonna pull these 5 turkeys out of here. We're gonna have to do something. We're gonna have to pull the Isas out or the turkeys out. I'd like to build a turkey pen, another turkey pen. And I'd like to get these chickens out from these turkeys. I thought that would work, but I just don't know. I don't think it's working. No. Don't believe it's working. I'd like to gain at least a few more hens on these this year. I'd like to. We lost that other one. Like I say, we're concerned about the water deal. That could have been it. We're not sure. But I'll tell you what, y'all. I'll leave y'all with the our new ones. Well, I finished watering these last 2 pens. Let me leave you with them. All right, y'all. Hope you enjoyed that. A little bit of music, a little bit of watching chickens. I don't know, they didn't look like they was doing a whole lot. I hear Angie coming. Let's see how much of the rat we put the baking soda. We had a viewer comment on that to do that, and then we YouTubed it. And I'll tell you what, y'all, it does work. Yep, they've ate about every bit of it, and I'm telling you, we are finding dead rats everywhere. So that does work. I think Angie does 2 parts baking soda and 1 part noodles. So where she's going come up here and pick me up, or? I guess I'm gonna have to walk up there. But yeah, that is definitely working. We're gonna have to get some more of it out here and there. Get rid of these things. Woo! I tell you what, they've been havoc on the farm. You can't put feed out for very long for the chickens. They'll eat it. But we found 4 or 5 big old rats. So yeah, that I can tell you that does work. We've tried everything. I even at one time went to when they killed some of my quail, I even went to some poisons and they wouldn't touch it. That stuff, they eat it. Yeah, they do. They eat it, and it does get them. Okay, y'all, that wraps this one up. Hope everybody has a blessed Sunday morning service. Tell you what, y'all, and I hope you have a blessed week. Wednesday, we are going to get a Wednesday's video out, y'all. With everything with me deciding to retire and everything else we've had going on, we just hadn't, and holidays too, y'all. We just hadn't got our Wednesdays out. But we're going to get a Wednesday out, and it's going to be on a house update. Tell you what, the house is looking good. It's coming along. Hopefully, we're hoping, we're really hoping that we're in it this week, at least living in the bedroom part. That's what we're hoping, is to be in the bedroom part. But y'all, again, can't thank you enough for watching the videos. We've noticed even some of our older videos account has picked up on. Appreciate the subscribers. Notice that's picked up a little bit. Can't thank you enough for that, y'all. And as we always say here on the Vista Acres, we love you and thank you for watching.